Yeah, I'm Trevor. I'm the director and founder of Dyno Limited. I've spent about 40 years working with conveyors, manufacturing, installing, developing new ideas. We sold our existing building with a 5-year lease, considering that we'd be doing something else within 5 years. Yeah, we looked around town for land, and our main concern about it was that it was previously had been dug out and filled with all sorts of things that had been a clay mine. And I was a little bit worried about the foundations, and I made a lot of inquiries around town, talked to builders, and none of them really seemed to have any answers. Some came back to me, some didn't. And really what they said is you'll have to go to a designer to design it, and then we were going to have to go to the council, and then we were going to have to get an engineer to work out our foundations. And we got Owen involved, and he looked after the whole lot. We could carry on manufacturing conveyors and just leave the building to him. Just sign the line here and pay for it. We wanted a good high doorways, and we wanted good wide doorways so we could drive straight in with 6 metre lengths of steel. That was a high priority. And it was attractive, especially in Southland, to use an insulated panel. And we do find it very quiet. Rain, wind, very little noise in the factory. The factory staff love it. They say they can hardly hear the rain. They just absolutely love coming to work here because, well, we hope it's because of Dyno, but we do know that the ones that work in the old factory say this place is amazing. As far as other specifications, well, we did want to make it attractive to staff, so it was easier to get them and to retain them. And that's another thing, is that the offices are very quiet and very nice to work in. I'd have no problem with using Attika again. I think their product is good, their design idea is good, their communication was good. And anything that we disagreed with, well, they were very willing to look at other options. The communication with Attika was excellent. What we really enjoyed is they had a camera set up on site, and we could log into that and see at any time what was going on, what was happening. And it pretty much went all according to the timeline, which was excellent. The contractor they used, Archer Construction, they were good too. They communicated well. Yeah, we'd go back to Attika for a building again, and we'd recommend them to other people as well.